Hello and welcome. Today we're going to create this cool grunge logo effect. First, import the textures into the project. You can find the download link of the textures in the description in the comment section. Create a new composition, 4K resolution, 30 FPS, in 2 seconds duration. Name it Grunge Sequence. Select all textures and drop it into the composition. Go to the fourth frame, press Ctrl-Shift-D, then delete. Inside, select all textures, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers. Create a new composition, name it Grunge Map, and make it 8 seconds long. Select the Grunge Sequence composition and drop it into the composition. Duplicate 3 times. Select all 4, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers. Create a new composition, name it Logo. You can import and place your logo inside. For this example, I'm going to use text. Create a new composition, name it Grunge Logo. Select the logo and Grunge Map compositions and drop it inside the composition. Hide the Grunge Map composition. Add a set matte effect to the logo composition. Set the matte for layer to Grunge Map and the use for matte to luminance. Select the logo composition and duplicate it 2 times. Select the first logo composition and add a displacement map effect. Set the displacement map layer to Grunge Map, the horizontal and vertical displacement to 40. Duplicate the effect and apply negative values. Select the second logo composition and add a compound blur effect. Set the blur layer to Grunge Map and check the invert blur box. Go back to the set matte effect and check the invert matte box. Add a Venetian binds effect. Set the transition completion to 50%, the direction to 45 degrees, and the width to 12. Duplicate the effect and set the direction to minus 45 degrees. Create a new composition, name it Main Comp. Drop the Grunge logo composition inside. Press F4 and make the layer 3D. Add a new camera. Press P, set a keyframe to the start of the composition. At the end, set the value to minus 6,500. Create a new solid layer and name it grain. Add fractal noise effect. Set the fractal type to dynamic progressive. Set the contrast to 300, the brightness to -170. In the transform section, set the scale to 50. In the evolution options, press Alt and click on the stopwatch icon and write the expression time times 20. Press F4 and set the mode to screen. Preview the result. Pretty cool. Leave a like if you learned something new. More tutorials are on the way. Have a good day and see you soon.